Hi and welcome everyone to one more lecture of probability and statistics. Today we will learn about binomial distribution and solve some examples on that. First we have to learn a term, Bernoulli process. Bernoulli process is a process with three properties. First of them is it is an experiment which consists of repeated number of trials. Repeated number of trials. And each trial is independent. Each trial is independent. Second property is outcome of a trial is classified into success or failure. Outcome can be classified into success or failure. And third property is in each trial probability of success is constant. Probability of success in each trial is constant. That means it doesn't change for any trial. In each trial you have same probability to get a success. So now we can start with our next term, that is binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is a discrete random variable and it can be denoted by b, small b, x, semicolon, n, comma, p, and it is a discrete random variable. Now x is our variable and it is number of success in n trials. From n trials, how many success we have got, and n is total number of trials. P is probability of success for each trial. Probability of success for each trial. Now, for a binomial distribution, if we want to find out probability of number of success equals to x from n number of trials, we can write this as b of x semicolon n comma p, and this equals to ncx p की power x q की power n minus x. Now n is total number of trials, x is number of success from n trials, p is probability of success, and q is probability of failure. And q equals to 1 minus p in binomial distribution. Let us take an example. We have 10 number of total trials and we toss a coin, so our outcomes could be head or a tail, and as we know, if a coin is fair, probability of getting a head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting a tail is also 1 by 2 for tossing a fair coin. Now let us assume we want to find out that we toss a coin for 10 times and we get a head more than 8 times. Then our success is getting a head. That means probability of success P equals to 1 by 2 and probability of failure Q equals to 1 by 2. That means we want to find out probability of x greater than 8, and this will be that we get head for 9 times or we get a head for 10 times. And as we know, Bx semicolon n comma p is probability of getting x success in n number of trials equals to ncx p की power x q raised to power n minus x. Probability of 9 success will be 10c9 p 1 by 2 की power x 9 q 1 by 2 की power n minus x 10 minus 9 1 plus probability of x equals to 10 10c 10 1 by 2 की power 10 and q 1 by 2 की power 0. Now 1 by 2 की power 9 multiplied by 1 by 2 की power 1, this will be 1 by 2 की power 10. So we will take 1 by 2 की power 10 common from both of these terms, then we will get 10c9 plus 10c10. As we know, 10c9 is 10 and 10c1 is 1. Now we will try to find out mean and variance for binomial distribution. First of all, a random variable which follows binomial distribution bx semicolon n comma p is called binomial variate. And now if we want to find out mean of binomial variate, then e of x equals to, as we know, binomial distribution, we have a discrete random variable, so summation over x f of x, and if we will put the value for f of x, that is probability for x, that summation x f of x b of x n comma p, and this equals to ncx p की power x q की power n minus x. And if we will solve this expression, then we will get mean equals to np and variance equals to npq. As we know, p plus q equals to 1, that means p lies between 0 to 1 and q also lies between 0 to 1. Therefore, mean greater than variance, because if we multiply a number that is less than 1 to a number, then the result will be less than the previous number. Therefore, NP is greater than NPQ. That this always stands for a binomial distribution. Now we will solve questions. Our question is, if we throw 10 coins simultaneously, what is the probability of getting at least 7 heads? at least 7 heads means exact 7 heads or plus more than 7. That means probability of x greater than equal to 7 is our answer for getting at least 7 heads, and this equals to probability of x is equal to 7 plus x equals to 8, x equals to 9 plus x equals to 10. As we know, for a binomial distribution, probability equals to NCx p की power x q की power n minus x. Now, getting ahead is a success, and probability of getting ahead p equals to 1 by 2, and probability of failure getting a tail is also 1 by 2. So, here our x is equal to 7, then 10c7 p 1 by 2 की power 7 into q की power n minus x 1 by 2 की power 3, 10c8 1 by 2 raised to the power 8 1 by 2 raised to the power 2, 10c9 1 by 2 raised to the power 9 1 by 2 plus 10c10 1 by 2 raised to the power 10. Now, as you can see, if we multiply a की power x plus a की power y, if we multiply these, we know that this equals to a की power x plus y. So we can take 1 by 2 की power 10 common from all of these. Then remaining will be 10c7, 10c8, 10c9 plus 10c10. This is our answer, and we can also solve this. As we know, 10c7 will be 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 3 into 2. This will be 10 into 9 by 2. This will be 10 and this will be 1. We can also solve this afterwards, or we can leave this as it is. Our next question is, A and B play a game in which their winning chances are 3:2. Find A's chance of winning at most 3 times out of 5. We have to find A's chance winning at most 3 times out of 5. So our number of trials will be 5, and A should win at most 3 times. That means he should win 3 or 2 or 1 or 0 times. We can also see this as 1 minus probability of winning of x 4 times or 5 times. Now, probability of success. Probability of success is that A should win, that is 3 upon 3 plus 2, 3 by 5, and Q equals to 1 by 5. So, probability of A winning less than or equal to 3 at most 3 times equals to 1 minus probability of x equals to 4 or probability of x equals to 5. This will be 1 minus 4 times total number of times 5, x equals to 4, and p is 3 by 5 raised to the power x 4, and q 2 की power 2 by 5 raised to power 1 minus, if we open this bracket then this plus will be changed into minus 5c5 3 by 5 raised to power 5 and 2 by 5 raised to power 0, that will be 1. So 1 minus 3 by 5, 3 by 5. We can take 3 by 5 to the power 4 common, then this will be 5c4, that is 5 times 2 by 5 minus 5c5 1 and 3 by 5. So this is 2 minus 3 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 5 raised to the power 4 into 2 minus 3 by 5. If we will take 5 as LCM, 5 times 2, 10, 10 minus 3, 7 by 5. This is our answer. We can also calculate it further. That's all, and we will meet in our next lecture.